Good morning, guys! Friday na ba ngayon? Is it? I can't remember. Ang ganda ng, parang ganda-ganda ng sikat ng araw. I so love it. Plus my ilaw, my lighting. I can film here like, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Kung pwede lang takpan tong ano na to, or if you don't mind, no, I do my makeup tutorial with the oven. Pwede, habang kunyari nanonood sila Zeb sa kwarto or busy or natutulog, I can do my makeup tutorial here. Okay, kung meron akong divider na nakatayo, ano, kahit tong cellphone ko lang parang perfect lighting. Ano ba yan? Anyways, it's 9 o'clock. Ang aga nagising ni Zam, mga 5:30. Naglalaro-laro na siya. Sabi, pinabayaan ko, bahala ka, maglaro ka dyan. Tapos maya-maya, kinarga ni Daddy. Tapos nakatulog naman ulit. Pero, maaga ulit nagising. Anyways, yes, I'm just gonna do breakfast. Yung sabi kong bread ko, best before nito yesterday. Pero I think di naman ako mamamatay pag kinain ko ito ngayon. Ubusin ko na. And then, yeah, I'm planning to bake, what do you call this? Choco banana peanut butter. Ang dami, no? Muffin. You'll see. Tingnan natin. So, yeah, good morning. Happy Friday. If it is Friday, if it's not, then Thursday. I don't know what day it is. Yeah. So, breakfast done, as usual. Grilled cheese sandwich. I will never get tired of that. Now, on to lunch. Ang unang ay today, this recipe has been on my head for like, matagal na. Parang mixture ng mga nakita ko sa Pinterest, nabasa ko, tsaka parang may napanood din ako sa cooking show. So, ang gagamitin ko today is mixture ng chicken wings and drumette. Excuse me. Ayan. Tapos, i-coat natin to ng cornstarch and ipiprito. So, magiging crispy-crispyhan siya. Tapos, I'm gonna make like a barbecue sauce. Some kind of like that. Wait lang, haharangan. Yun yung ingredients ko. Ketchup. Worcestershire. Hirap sabihin. Worcestershire sauce. Tapos, yung dating nakita ko sa cooking show, nilagyan ng orange juice. Fresh orange juice. So, I'm thinking pa kung I'll be brave enough to do that. Parang, ewan ko lang, hindi ko, meron kasi ako, may orange pa kasi ako dyan. And then, a little bit of sugar. Wala ako ng mga dun sa mga nakita ko sa Pinterest, may mga onion powder, garlic powder, wala ako nun. So, it's just gonna be a simple sauce. So, yun lang. Itas, i-coat ko siya, pagkatapos na maprito, i-coat ko siya dun. And then that's it. Yes. Kay Zach, avocado today. Nagpabili ako. Si Daddy nag-grocery kagabi kasi late na siya umuwi. Sabi niya, nung pauwi na siya, nung malapit na siya, sabi niya, siya na daw dadan sa grocery. So, yeah, fine by me. Anyway, so yeah, let's start. Morning! Yung panghigop niya ng sipon. Good morning! Do you want to play? Do you want to play? Nag-set up ako sa kanya ng kanyang sensory play today. Jajan! Wow! Do you want to play? Yeah. Oh, yeah! Sit down, Zach. Wait. Yay! You don't eat it! You don't eat it. You like it? Yes. Okay, while he's busy over there. Oh no! Okay lang, konti lang naman yan. While he's busy over there, I'm gonna do it. I saw a recipe. Change of plans pala ako sa aking recipe kasi I saw a recipe kay Martha Stewart which calls for 2 cups of ketchup. Pero did you know that 1 bottle is 1 cup? So, everything, I'm gonna do everything in half. Kasi, yung recipe din naman niya, 6 pounds chicken. I don't know kung abot ng 6 pounds yung chicken ko. So, yeah. So, 1 cup of ketchup. Sana kasya na naman sa bowl ko. Alam nyo, kailangan ko na talagang bumili ng malaking bowl. Tsaka hand mixer. Alam ko meron sa IKEA na $15 lang. I'm gonna buy hand mixer. So, yon 1 cup of that. Mamaya ko na siya anuhin. Tapos, so kalahati na lang, half cup of brown sugar. Uh-oh! And then, ano pa nga ba yun? It calls for cider vinegar, but I don't have cider vinegar. So, I'm just gonna use Silver Swan vinegar. 1 tablespoon yata yun. Tsaka 1 tablespoon ng Worcestershire sauce. So, lahat na sinabi ko, half na lang ng bali kung ano yung nasa recipe. Hindi pa naman to expired, no? Nope. Okay. So, yun. Tapos, nagpipreheat na ako ng oven. Yes, baby, wait a minute. Magre-reserve ka ng kalahati para i-coat yung chicken habang, tapos, tsaka maibibake. And then, kapag tapos na siya mag-bake, i-coat mo siya ulit. Tapos, set aside din a little bit for sausawan. So, that's the recipe. Okay. Buddy's joining us! Because this one is sleepy already. Yeah. So, si Kuya na lang nag-play doon. Water play, bubble play. Pwede ko muna si Zach. And my chicken is inside the oven now. Wait. There they are. Meron nga rin palang salt and pepper. I forgot to mention. So, mamaya ano ko lang siya ulit. Flip over. It's done, guys. And it's eating time. Magto 12:15 na. So, that's how it looks like right now. I'm gonna plate it and take an Instagram photo. Tada! Walang sesame seeds sa recipe, and I think sesame seed is more like pang pag-Asian yung flavor, like yung may mga sesame oil, obviously sesame seed. Pero what the heck, may sesame seed ako, so nalagyan ko. So, kain tayo! So, ayun guys! Ay! What are you doing? No, that's not funny. That's not funny. Okay? That's not funny. That's not funny. Look, show them your shorts. Show them your shorts. Look. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Nakabrief. Ayaw pa niya mag-ano eh. Sabihin ko wag na mag-diaper. Ayaw, nagagalit. Mickey Mouse. Yay! How do you do, Superman? Superman! Whee! Ito, ang aking future vlogger. Future vlogger! Yes! Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, it's nap time. 1:45 na. So, I am sleepy and tired. So, we'll see you later, guys! Hi, guys. It's almost 6 o'clock and kakagising lang namin. Grabe. Naantok mga ako eh. Kundi lang nagmaktos si Seb gusto ng gatas. So, ayun. Anyway, nag-change ako kanina ng t-shirt bago matulog kasi pawis ako, hindi ko na matake. And right now, I'm gonna take this. Alam niyo ba, yung kahapon ng mga crispy, naging chewy sila today. Hindi ko alam. Actually, kagabi pa. Nung pinakikiramdaman ko, kasi parang doon sa isang buong tray, naghahanap ako. Alin nga ba dito yung crispy. So, kinukurot-kurot ko konti para ma-feel kung alin yung matigas. Wala nang matigas. Lahat sila naging chewy. Ang galing. Ganun. Ito bigay lang ng landing din namin. Hindi namin nagbigay lang sa amin ito. Ito. Walang sinabi to dito sa tiyan. Sa cookings ko. Hindi ko nga to bet eh. Ayan, tagal na nito, hindi ko binubuksan kasi nakatikim na ako nito. Hindi ko type. Hindi siya masarap. Mas masarap yung cookie ko. Dapat by now, nagpupupo na si Zach eh. Kasi usually, nililigo kami ng ganito kasi pag nagpupo siya. So, baka magpupo na siya anytime and then magliligo na kami. Parang ang bet kong lumabas. Parang bet ko lang lumabas. Wait lang. So, yes guys, we're out. Ang galing talaga ni Zach. Talagang on the dot. Yan. Alis sana kami. Bigla may pupo. Talagang ganitong oras may pupo siya eh. No? Morning at saka this one. So, instead na maligo, lumabas na lang kami. Sira ang routine. Tsaka nagugutom na ako. Ewan ko ba? Nakaka-bother talaga yung pimple na yan. Anyway, so iniisip ko ba kung punta kami sa playground or dito na lang kami sa badminton court at magbubuhay ng bubbles. Parang mas gusto ko dito na lang kami. Okay. Only 5? Uh-oh. How about some leaves? Can you get mommy some leaves? Yay! More leaves, please. I need 5 leaves. You count, ha? Wow, so many leaves. Up, that's a stick. Where do you put the stick? There. Oh. Count the leaves. 1, 2. Count. Yes. He has this thing talaga na lining them up. Parang mga train, gano'n. Oh, you got more leaves? Oh, okay. Put it there. Oh, did you hear the bird? Did you hear the bird? Ay, sleepy ko. Kagising lang natin. Okay, hindi ka masaya. Yeah, you have more sticks. Can you put the sticks there? Grabe laki ng bata. Mas matanda pa kay Zeb. Mas matanda pa si Zeb dyan. Pero grabe ang laki ng bata. We're going home. It's already magsi 7:30. And we need to take a bath and eat dinner. Si Daddy baka late na naman umuwi. Zeb, watch where you're going. Come here. Thursday pala ngayon. Kala ko Friday. I am so stressed. Kaiyak ni Zach. Ano na ba yan? Nung naliligo kami, siguro nung towards the end na, naantok na to. Kaso ay, okay. Anyways, may isi-share pala ako. Papadudin ko, wait. May isi-share ako, nakita ko sa Pinterest. You know me, I'm a Pinterest mom. Obvious ba? Ay, ewan ko kung nakikwento ko sa inyo yun or kasi sa mga post ko sa Instagram, pag nagpo-post ako ng food, mostly food, may hashtag akong Pinterest inspired. Kasi kung ano naman nakikita ko sa Pinterest, ginagaya ko. Tapos kahit yung mga activities nila Zeb, nila Zach noon, if you follow me even before pa, yung mga toddler activities, ganyan. Sa mga Pinterest ko nakukuha, ang dami-dami doon ideas, guys. So, yeah, I suggest you download it. Anyways, kagabi nga ba? Hindi, matagal na pala. Like ko na nakakalimutang gawin. May nabasa ako doon na parang, ano, have we been shampooing or something like that, have we been shampooing wrong? Merong dong article, nakalimutan ko na yung justification, pero basta gusto kong gawin, gusto ko i-try, na uunahin mo muna yung conditioner. So, liligo ka ganyan, conditioner muna, coat mo yung buong hair mo, tapos pag mo babanlawan, tapos saka ka mag-shampoo. Tapos, yun, let it stay sa hair mo hanggang sa matapos ka maligo. Mga 10 minutes, ganyan. 5 to 10 minutes. Pero yun, don't do it every day. Kahit once a week daw. And it's gonna be better. So, tignan natin. I'm not hoping na, I'm not I'm not expecting anything. Yun what was I trying to say? I'm not expecting super magiging maganda yung hair ko kasi parang wala na siyang pag-asa. Pero, we'll see, you know, baka magkaroon ng konti man lang difference. So, yun, once a week lang daw. Nakalimutan ko na yung justification kung ano yung magiging effect or bakit ganon. Search na lang. Basta, sabi ko gusto ko siyang in-try kasi interesting nga. So, yun. Anyway, si Daddy, ano ng oras? It's ano na, 8:45. And si Daddy, meron pa siyang work ng 9 o'clock. Ay. So, gabing-gabi. Yes, ewan ko, depende kasi kung maaga matapos or ma-resolve agad yung issue. So, hindi ko masabi kung oras uwi si Daddy. Sabi ko pa naman, I'm gonna go to the grocery kasi I wanna buy egg. Hindi ako nakapag-bake kanina kasi sabi ko, ang dami pang cookies. Baka hindi ko naman makain. Yung muffin parang mas madaling masira kaysa sa cookies, no? Pero yung cookies kasi, kanina pinabaunan ko si Daddy ng 4. Tapos, sinasharean ko din yung mga housemates ko. So, mangilan-ngilan na lang siya. So, carry na mag-bake ako tomorrow. Wait lang. Sarap. Yan. Tapos, sabi nga ni Daddy, kagabi, ayun, sabi ni Daddy, nagustuhan daw ng mga ka-office mates yung cookies. Tinatanong bakit daw hindi ako magbenta. So, why not? We'll see. Natanong niya kung magkano kung mag-ibenta ako, magkasa ko. Hindi ko alam, kasi hindi ko ma-memorize yung mga presyo ng ingredients. So, next time na mag-grocery ako, ililist down ko yung mga ingredients or yung presyo. Tapos, diba, i-divide mo yun kung ilan yung magagawa nun. So, yun. Ang hirap naman. Ang hirap. Pati yung butter. Ako, we'll see. Tignan natin kung maging business ito. So, yun. Anyway, we're just gonna say goodnight. Nasa bunutan na naman ako ni Zach. And we will see you tomorrow. Akala ko kanina talaga Friday na. Thursday pa lang pala. Late ko na nalaman yung araw. As in, nung after na maglaro sa playground, tumingin ako sa cellphone. Sabi ko, shucks, Thursday pa lang pala. Zebby, say bye-bye na.
Bye.
Thank you.